All right, so me and my wife we had to stop somewhere to get a bite to eat. But those of you that missed the credit repair sale, you know, we still have a basic package about the same price, does the same thing. But today I'm promoting. You can get in the package that gets you up to 800 points on your credit score. It's a great package. It comes with a lot of great things. Call me 610-470-8992. Or what you can do, you can visit my website, which is www.Kirby's Credit Kingdom. No, yeah, Kirby's Credit Kingdom. But what you can do really, you know, you can just text me or call me. You know, I'm always available. 610-470-8992. Like I said, you know, if you have a lot of inquiries, if you have a lot of collections,
there's no forks.
I told her to put the forks in there.
There's none.
So, let me go. Like I said, if you're interested, just message me or you can text me. Thank you.